everyone! So for today is gagawa po tayo ng art piece. So habang binubuksan ko ang mga materials ko is nag-iisip na ako kung ano ba dapat na art piece ang gagawin ko. So kumakailan ay may naisip ako which is dyan ay magdadraw ng dalawang circle na mag-corner para nagtatagpuan sila. So ayan. Nung first is nag-struggle ako kung paano ko ba yan magagawa. So eventually ay nagawa ko naman siya. Ayan. So bakit nga ba ay nag-drawing ako ng ganyan? Is because ay gagawin ko is yung dalawang circle na yan is parang magiging billiards sa ball ng billiards. Which is ang gagamitin kong digit is yung 8 tsaka yung 13. So my story behind that. So why billiards? So because the art piece that I've been thinking about is not just about a game. So it's about the people I found along the way. So I have a circle of friends and kami ay tinatawag na Sargo. So nabuo yun in most simple way but a meaningful way. So nag-bond sila after class habang nag-billiards. So doon nagsimula lahat. Kahit hindi pa kami kasama noon ni Bianca, that moment became the start of something special. So sina Thea, Isha, Jill, Ella, Casey, Jelay, Jules, Glenn, Yves, at Jerd, silang una nag-connect at eventually we all became part of that circle. So this painting represents them. The billiard balls symbolize each one of us, different pero connected in one game and one story. So, ayan. Diyan, nag-struggle ako mag-create ng magandang number 8. So, pero, nagawan ko naman ng paraan. So, number 8 is like symbolized sa isang billiards is ay symbolize ng billiards. While yung number 13 is because kami ay 13 people sa isang circle of friends. So yan, ginagawa ko yung font ng 13 which is nag-struggle din ako dyan. But kamakailan ay nagawa ko naman ng paraan. So yan. So, dyan naman ay nakapagawa na ako ng number 13 and also dyan is gumagawa ko ng parang spider web. So, may meaning din kung bakit spider web. So, ang meaning nun is it represents how we are all connected kahit saan kami mapunta. We stay linked and we support each other. We protect each other and we always have each other's back. So, parang sapot. Matibay kahit manipis tingnan. So, including our new friends like Hera and James, patuloy lang lumalaki yung connection natin. So, yan. Ginagawa ko yung spider web. Sorry. So, ayan. And now, after nyan is magpa-paint na po ako dyan. Pero, kinukot ko lang siya ng white kasi may mga drawing marks ako dyan na kailangan i-cover kasi hindi ko na kailangan lagyan ng another marker. So, yan. So, ayan. Now, napag-decide ko yung number 13 is i-color ng gold. So, may behind din kung bakit gold ang napili kong color for the number 13. So, the color gold, it reflects how much I value them. So, kagaya ng gold, they are rare, precious, and worth keeping. So, hindi sila basta-basta napapalitan. Kaya, gold ang pinili ko. And now, as you can see, sa nakikita nyong white space, it is intentional because it is where I'll ask them to write their names and lagyan ng signature para literal na maging parte sila ng artwork ko. So, it is not just by symbolically, but kundi physically din. So, because this painting is more than art, it's a reminder na sa journey namin sa nursing, hindi ako nag-iisa. So, sila yung kasama ko sa pag-survive ng college. Sila yung dahilan kung bakit gusto ko pang magpatuloy. So, this is Sargo and this is us.